Hello and welcome, dear Healy World members and customers. My name is Lena, and I'm very happy to welcome you today to the Healy YouTube Learning Hub. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to log into your shop account correctly and share helpful tips to avoid login difficulties. Please always use the top field, Single Sign-On. There you can log in with your username or your email address and your password. The lower field should not be used, as it often leads to error messages. If logging in doesn't work, first try clearing cookies and cache in your browser, or open the page in an incognito window. If that still doesn't help, simply reset your password by clicking Forgot Password. You will then receive an email with the subject line Password Reset Mail. Be sure to also check your spam folder, and always use the link in the most recent email. When creating your new password, make sure not to include any spaces and choose a secure combination of letters and numbers. I hope these tips help you log into your shop account smoothly. If you still encounter difficulties, I will explain in one of the next videos how to solve those as well. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I wish you continued success and a pleasant day. See you next time.